Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to cook Sweet Baby Ray's sweet red chili spare ribs. Okay, so this is a sauce that is a sauce and marinade. So we're going to be cooking spare ribs in the air fryer oven, and we're going to be putting on this sweet red chili sauce. How about that, huh? Okay, so let's do it, alright? Thanks. Alright, so I have a half of a slab of ribs because this is the width that I can fit into the air fryer oven. Okay, alright. And so let's put some seasonings on it. We're going to be using black pepper, I want to do both sides with the seasonings, of course. And then we're going to have Larry's seasoning salt, and some ground garlic. And we're going to flip it over and do the other side as well with the seasonings. Okay, now that we have our seasonings on both sides, let's put it right in on the rack. I'm gonna put the bone side up, okay? This side up. So when we turn it over, we turn it over on the good side, right? The side that we like to see. Okay, and it's on 370, that's okay. And let's cook it for, wait a minute. Let's take this down to 20 minutes, and then we're gonna turn it over at that point, okay? Alright, we're cooking the spare ribs in the air fryer oven, starting out with 20 minutes. And we will be back at the end of the 20 minutes. Thank you. Okay, so our spare ribs have been cooking for 17 minutes. So let's take a look and see what's going on. I know it's not done, so I'm going to pull it out and let you see that it's not done, okay? Alright, so I'm going to turn it over. And we have 3 minutes left on our 20-minute setting, so I'm going to set it for another 17 minutes, which would take it to a total of 23 minutes to continue on the other side. And I'll sanitize this. So let's go up. We want to go to 23 minutes. Okay, we got 23 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay guys, so I want to open this, take the ribs out, and I want to double check the temperature so that I can go right between the bone. It's hard to get between. Hot. Okay, we're done. We're past 160. Okay, so now I want to put our sweet red chili sauce on the ribs, okay? So first I'm going to put it on the back side. And it looks good, guys, by the way. Okay, now I'm going to turn it over and do the front side so that the sauce is on both sides. Okay, there we go. And I want you to see that. Okay, so now we're going to put it back in the air fryer to let that just glaze for about 5 minutes so that the sauce hardens a little onto the ribs. Okay? Okay. 5 minutes. Oh no, I think we can do 3 minutes and we're good. 3 minutes. And that'll be all glazed over. And we'll be back on that. Okay guys, here's our ribs. How about that, huh? Oh, you've got to try this. And I think you would love this sauce. Okay? Alright, so I'm not going to taste it because it's really hot right now. But you taste it and let me know how you like it, okay? So you know you can cook spare ribs in the air fryer oven now. All you have to do is cut the size down. Okay? How about that, huh? Cool. And so until next time, be blessed. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, and of course, give it a thumbs up, would you? Okay, and subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. Love you. Bye-bye.